Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to disable international usage on your HDFC Bank debit card. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Card section, click on Debit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Your Debit Cards page, where all the debit cards linked to your account are displayed. Click the arrow button next to your preferred debit card. You will be taken to Debit Card Summary page. On this page, locate the section called Limits and Restrictions. Click on the Customize link next to it. You will be navigated to a page where you can customize your daily limits and restrictions. In your case, you may notice that international usage is turned on. To disable it, simply toggle the button to turn it off. After making your changes, scroll down and click the Confirm button. That's it, the changes has been applied. This is how you can disable international usage on your HDFC Bank debit card. Thank you for watching.